Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Did you know that you can use two apps at the same time on your Android phone? For example, you can watch a YouTube video while using Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, or Chrome. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable split screen mode and use two apps side by side. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the app you want to use. For this demonstration, I'm using YouTube. Let's say you're watching a video on YouTube and now you want to use another app at the same time. Tap the Recent Apps button on your phone. Next, tap the three dots icon at the top of the app. Then select Split Screen. Now choose the second app you want to use from the list. For example, I'll select Facebook. As you can see, YouTube is running on the top half of the screen while Facebook opens on the bottom half. Now you can watch YouTube videos and browse Facebook at the same time. If you're already logged into Facebook, your news feed will appear immediately. When you're finished using the second app, simply press the back button or drag the divider bar all the way up or down. The split screen mode will close and the first app will return to full screen mode. You can use the same method with Gmail, Chrome, WhatsApp, or almost any other compatible app. Keep in mind that although split screen is available on most Android phones, its location or name may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer. From now on, you won't need to close one app just to open another. With split screen mode, you can use two apps simultaneously, making multitasking faster and much more convenient. So friends, that's how you can use two apps at the same time on your Android phone using split screen mode. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments whether your phone supports this feature. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Hunter for more useful tech tips. I'm Syed. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.